Today we're going to learn how to make the best ever paper plate heart. So, I hope you enjoy making this. So let's get started. La 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 la. Oops, sorry, I didn't know we were supposed to make a video. So the supplies for this fun craft are some pretty stickers. They don't have to be for Valentine's Day. A paper plate, 2 color duct tapes. We want red because that's Valentine's color. And some scissors. I got red because it's Valentine's Day. The first step is to fold your plate. Not like that, that's wrong. Or you could do it like that because it's going to be the same shape. Just fold it from here to this edge. Like this. So then, let's make this heart shape so that when we open it, it's going to be like that. I'm just going to make this already made heart shape just darker. Then you get your scissors and cut out the heart shape you made. Might be a little hard because it's pretty thick. Now I'm going to fold the heart back like this so that when I'm cutting this part, it doesn't rip. Be careful of your finger. It looks so amazing! Now we're going to decorate with our duct tape. So I'm doing a combination of pink. Then I'm going to get the next tape strip and stick it. You don't have to do a pattern if you don't want to. I'm just going to push it down here to it. Make sure it doesn't stick to the heart. So then you can turn it around and it'll be easier. Don't worry if it goes onto the red because you're going to see it from the front, not the back. If you have wrapping paper here, you don't want to rip your tape, so put the plate just over here. I just had a mess up video and I put it here. Then flip it around. Tape. So, I think we need to do some cover some patches, because it's okay if you have some patches, but you can fix them. I already fixed one, so I'm just going to put them on these white patches. If you want to not put this tape for the patches, you don't have to. It can be a little bit white. It's your choice. Look how pretty it is! Could be a heart flapping. So now we're gonna add decorations. I love decorations. You can add a heart and a heart, but I don't want to do that. So I'm also gonna add this. I have another pack, so I can add it. This here. Might not stick that good because sometimes they don't stick that good on duct tape.